I'm sure you agree, property investment is one of the most common topic among Singaporeans during Chinese New Year, Christmas, birthday gatherings. But what if I told you a lot of HDB owners are missing out this golden period of upgrading simply because no one shared with them this 3 point of stress-free upgrading? In this video, I'm going to share these 3 points and I'm going to call them Can You Upgrade? If you meet these 3 points, what is your only risk if you don't upgrade? Alright, let's get into it. These 3 points, I'm calling them Can You Upgrade? Number 1, try not to touch your savings. Very simple, whatever you upgrade, the cost involved must be from what you earn from your current HDB. Don't touch anything from your bank account. This to ensure your savings are not affected, your lifestyle, your family is not affected. This is the safest method. Number 2, rental costs. If you buy something new, apparently you have to wait for 2-3 years, right? Then meanwhile you got to rent. The rental cost from these 2-3 years must be covered as well. Still not touching your savings. Number 3, mortgage free period. What do I mean? This is the last and the most important point of the Can You Upgrade points. When you upgrade, a lot of videos will share with you the importance of buying the right property, the entry price, whatever. But my focus is even deeper. What about your monthly commitment thereafter? When you move in, how much you gotta pay? What's the cost involved? Proper planning. Many of the upgraders who ask Ken Tay have an average of 3 to 5 years mortgage-free period. My proudest case is 9.5 years. This upgrader sold her 35-year-old HDB flat, moved to a 2-room condo, brand new, next to Eunos MRT. This means from moving in, she doesn't have to worry about mortgage for the next 9.5 years, as long as she's working. This is a very strong position because she is not affected by any economic downturn. She's a very strong financial holding point as compared to many others. So, if all 3 points are met, what's your only risk? Your only risk is not taking action. Many viewers and even real estate agents are saying cooling measures since 2013 is very bad, affected them so much. What do you think? My opinion is that without the cooling measures, prices would have soared to way beyond many of our affordabilities. Do you know that there are 63 new launches in 2019 and probably 2020? And due to the current supply and cooling measure, developers are willing to help you and I, buyers who are with creative buying methods. Example, having more time to sell HDB without having to pay ABSD, additional buyer's stamp duty first. Managing timelines so buyers can take maximum loan and use maximum cash. Minimum cash, minimum cash. So, how do you know if you meet the 3 Can You Upgrade points? All you have to do is ask. When you trust me with your millions, I will only give you the best. I'll see you.